Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Cheating Turns into a Nightmare She Instantly Regrets."
Me and him was in the midst of intercourse, and he kicked the door in.
Okay.
Then he walked up on me, went towards the door. My purse was sitting on the bed still. He took it out my purse and he cocked it, and I begged him not to shoot. Then he shot at him. I didn't think he hit him.
On November 7th.
Well, what you expect? Your guts was getting rearranged. He ain't like that, man. That'll make a man go crazy. Your guts, man, the guy that you had in the bed was balls deep in you, man. Come on, the guy walks in and it's like...
2023. Police were dispatched to a home after calls reported shots fired inside.
Someone is shot inside of that house right
Where?
now. They're laying down on the floor and they're bleeding inside the house. 2 houses down.
Please help! Please help! Please help him!
Hey, who shot it?
Who shot him? Who shot him? Is there anybody in here? It looks like it stops right here.
Sorry, please get up! Please help him! Please help him!
Keep pressure on it, ma'am. Keep pressure on it, ma'am. We've got ambulance en route.
Do we
That's
have
all him! It's him! Every piece of blood is him! Please
Okay.
help him!
Who shot him?
Who
Where's
shot him?
His name is Stanford Stokes! He's my ex-boyfriend!
He's your ex-boyfriend, Stanford Stokes?
Yes!
Okay, we have help coming.
Please help him! Please, I'm sorry!
pressure on?
Please!
Yeah. You said Sappheiros?
Oh, yes! Please, I won't help him! Please, no, I won't help him!
We have the ambulance coming.
Please!
Keep the pressure on him.
Baby, please wake up! Please wake up! Oh my God!
Did he come into the house?
Yes, he kicked my back room door in!
Okay.
Oh,
He kicked your back room door.
yes!
Okay. How many times did he shoot?
Twice!
2 times?
Yes, he's registered to carry! He took my gun out my purse and shot him!
Okay. Your gun was in your purse?
Yes, and he snatched my gun out my purse and shot him!
Where's the gun at now?
He got it still! He's going towards my children, please!
Where's your children at?
At my mom!
Where's your mom?
She's there, please!
What's the address?
Did he just shoot him one time?
Yes, in
One
the
time?
chest, please!
Ma'am, you gotta move, please.
Ma'am, step back for me, okay? They're gonna work on it. They got help now, okay? Come on back. Talk to this officer
Yep.
over here. Come here. Hey, come back here in the kitchen, ma'am. Ma'am, come back
this
here in
out
the
of the
kitchen. Come back here in the kitchen, okay? Come back here in the kitchen.
Is my
Hey, stop.
godson okay?
Where's your godson?
He's out there with my best friend. He started shooting in the
How old is he? How old is he? There's a gun, Cody. There's a gun. Get the...
That's his gun.
That's his gun.
That's his. He's registered to carry. That is his.
Whenever you get him on the stretcher, let's check for next.
He's the guy who took my gun out my purse and started shooting at us.
Okay.
Yeah, next.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know what's actually concerning to me is that it seems like there's no urgency on her end to be trying to direct the officers to go save her mother and kids, because the lady said that he took her firearm and he's headed towards her mom's house with the kids and stuff like that, so they will be the potential next victims. And there's no sense of like, hey, you know, this and that or whatever. Like, she just pretty much stuck on this guy who, not to be disrespectful or nothing, but he pretty much checked out. You know what I mean? So right now we need to be trying to save not only save his life, yes, if we could, but the potential victims that have not been harmed yet. And I think that needs to be a priority, but she's just so beside herself. And I get it. It's a stressful situation, but this is the time where you gotta lock in, zone in, and you know, and get your head together.
Come here, hon. We're gonna go back. Well, they're gonna take him out of here.
We have Archie and Ralph to St. Anthony's, guys. Archie and Ralph to go. St. Anthony's, Archie and Ralph.
I couldn't find the bully. He shot him in the back.
Honey, you're gonna have to help us, okay? Have a seat. Have a seat.
Sit down. Sit down. Who called Archie? We did.
Okay. Take a breath.
Okay.
Take a breath. So, your baby daddy came over here, correct?
He's my boyfriend. I have no children with him.
He's your boyfriend, correct?
Yeah, that is my boyfriend.
Okay.
That is my ex. We're on and off.
Okay. That came
He
in.
came. He stays
Okay.
with my mom in my house that I have my name on.
Okay. What's your boyfriend's name?
Jared.
Jared?
Yes, ma'am.
J-R-E-D?
Yes.
What's his last name?
Wait, hold on. The ex stays with his mom in the house that the name is on? Wait, hold on. I'm confused.
He's your boyfriend, correct?
Yeah, that is my boyfriend.
Okay.
That is my ex. We're on and off.
Okay. That came
He
in.
came. He stays
Okay.
with my mom in my house that I have my name on.
You said enough. A guy isn't going crazy like that unless they have a really tight relationship. The ex, she just said that they have an on and off relationship. So what you mean? Hello? On and off relationship, that mean, you know, there's still some feelings, there's still some attachment there, there's still some whatever going on there. So, yeah, he crashed out. He came in, seen homeboy balls deep in his ex-girl, going crazy. I mean, damn. He knows she carried a firearm. She knows she, come on, man. You know, it wouldn't surprise me if she might be playing both guys. Who knows? She could be playing both sides. The ex-boyfriend, on and off, whatever, you know, he's not fully out of the picture. He might be somewhat, you know, she got a new guy who they trying to get some things going or whatever. Dude going crazy over, trying to get his girl back, whatever. Calling the phone, she ain't answering. So he kicked the door in. Now that's crazy. Kicking the door in is crazy. But he kicked the door in, and you find, you know, the same bed that you was laid up in before at one point in time. Now you see the new nigga in there going crazy in your girl. Balls deep, everything, man. Just wilding. You know what I'm saying? Got her making sounds that you never made her sound. You know, like that's the reality of the situation, man. That's the reality of it, man. Crazy.
Okay, what?
He like, damn, why is she making them sounds? She ain't make them sounds for me. Crazy.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Jared.
Jared?
Yes, ma'am.
J-R-E-D?
Yes.
What's his last name?
Yes. Do you know what kind of car he drives? I don't know how he even got here, Mama. I don't know none of this.
Okay. All right. And your ex-boyfriend came over?
He kicked the door in. He was
Okay.
calling my phone.
Okay.
Me and him was in the midst of having, you know, intercourse. And he kicked the door in.
Okay.
Then he walked up on me. Went back, and then he went towards the door. My purse was sitting on the bed still, open, and my gun. I carry my gun. I'm legal. I'm licensed to carry.
Okay.
So I carry my gun in my purse. He took it out my purse and he cocked it, and I begged him not to shoot in the house, and he shot at him. I didn't think he hit him. Guys.
Okay. So that happened in the bedroom, correct? So did he have his gun? I mean, how did his...
Jerry had his gun on him the whole time.
Okay.
On my dresser.
Okay.
If you look how the dresser and how he was positioned, he was standing with my dresser next to his gun. He got to his gun, but he wasn't trying to shoot because I was talking to the guy, like talking to him. All of a sudden, he just lifted his arm up and just shot. I didn't think Jerry got hit because he took off running.
Okay.
So he came back, and I guess he came from this way, like he left out my back door and came from the side. Jerry was trying to get to his car, and he shot him through the door.
They're going to be working on him, hon. Everybody in the whole hospital is going to be working on him. All right?
We just left his cousin for room release.
You did what?
We just left his cousin balloon release. He just died. I'm sorry, baby. Please be okay. I didn't know this was gonna happen. Please, God.
What about the child that's out?
That is my best friend. She has to get to her grandmother.
That's her child?
Yes, I need them out of here, please.
Okay. No one else is here, right?
No, my kids. I was getting my clothes.
All right, I'm going to need for you to come out here with me.
Okay.
Come on. That's your best friend's child?
Yes. Mommy.
You said that's your best
Playing a
friend's
dangerous
child?
game, boy.
Okay.
Guys go
fine.
crazy, man.
Okay.
We need to find somebody to come get the child.
Where is she?
She went with Auntie. Baby's right there. Straight ahead.
Okay, you got her thing, all right? All right. Hey, let's get
Yes.
a hold of her. She's going to come down and fix her.
Come here. Hey, hon. Hey, hon, I need to take you down to the station to do a statement, okay? Were you inside the house when this happened? Yeah? Do you know what Jared's last name is?
Who is Jared?
The guy that was shot, is that his name, Jared?
I don't know his name. I don't know who he is. I do not know.
Okay. And the other guy was...
Oh yeah, this the hood. Yeah, she don't know nothing, no information, boy. Yeah, I ain't getting no type of statement, boy. I don't know nothing. Oh yeah, this gotta be yeah. Okay, cause the chick, she's that we just went to his cousin's balloon, and so everybody dying around there, man. Everybody, this. She playing a dangerous game. Messing, playing both sides. Like, come on, a guy, an ex-boyfriend that fully has, you know, closure, not attached, you know what I'm saying? Maybe if they have kids. I know in this situation they don't have kids, but if they had kids, you know, healthy co-parenting situation or whatever, he getting some new kitty cat, she got some new things or whatever. They not hating, they not tripping. You know what I'm saying? But a guy that's gonna crash out like this, no. There's still some sort of attachment or hanging out from time to time with him. No, they're still involved some way, shape, or form. You know what I mean? And he probably caught the hint or whatever, and that's why he popped up, caught him. Oh, who car is that in the driveway? Probably he peeping through. Yo, she not picking up her phone, so he kicked that thing in. Boy, like the SWAT team. Boom! Bust down the door, crazy. And then what he see? This, at one point in time, this was his kitty cat. And now you got the next dude in there, and he going crazy. So he crashed out. Oh, man, this is a dangerous game, boy. But yeah, she don't know nothing. She ain't got no statement for you, man.
Her baby daddy, right?
Her ex-boyfriend.
Her ex-boyfriend.
Current boyfriend. I don't know.
Do you know how long ago they broke up?
Told you.
Jared?
Told you. Look at this. She ain't got no statement.
Okay. Were you inside the house when this happened? Yeah? Do you know what Jared's last name is?
Who is Jared?
The guy that was shot, is that his name, Jared?
I don't know his name. I don't know who he is. I do not know.
Okay. And the other guy was her baby daddy, right?
Her ex-boyfriend.
Her ex-boyfriend.
Current boyfriend, I don't know.
Do you know how long ago they broke up?
According to her, it's been a few months, but getting my house shot up makes me feel like not at all. I have a good feeling I know exactly what happened. I wasn't even back there.
What do you think happened?
9 times out of 10, he walked in on her.
We're like on and off every other day. We're on and off. So yeah. I left. He called me. I'm like, I'm going to go get some clothes. I'm with my friend. He said, okay, that was it.
Who was your friend, honey?
Jared.
You took?
Yeah, I've been with him since 5. I'm trying to remember.
This case shows how fast cheating can turn a harmless affair into consequences she never saw coming.
Dangerous game, man. Dangerous game. Dangerous game. You sitting there, you playing both sides. Oh, we on and off, da. What type of ex-boyfriend is staying with your moms and all that? Like, that's what was a part of. Come on, man. Come on, man. You out there, you loose. You loose, man. You loose, man. You just out there ripping and running the street, trying to do whatever, trying to get your back broken. Like I said, homeboy probably not, he ain't. Then he, dude come to the door. He probably, because before he busts down the door, he put his listening ears on that door. He like this. He listening and then he like, hold on. Damn, she ain't never make them sounds. Hold on. Oh no. Oh no, she ain't never make them sounds with me. Oh nah. And then he saw red. That's it. That's the end of the story, man. End of the story. Cops get a 5 though, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.